po ako guys sa Sally All Intertown Basketball League. So alas 6 na po. So mag-start tayo ng kick-off show. Diyan po sa Pag-asa Sports Complex. So wala ko doon. Yes, we're here guys. So let's go. Dapat pong nagsisimula guys, oh. Oh. Ha. So,
again, sa lahat po ng mga fans natin, magsisimula po ang Game 1 sa Biyernes. Iyan po ay gaganapin sa Lupao. Ang mga kalaban po nila ay ang Team Rizal sa Senior Division. At ang Junior Division po, Lupao pa rin versus Science City o Puños. Game 1 po yan. Best of 3 po ang ating finals. Best of 3.
po, San Jose versus Rizal. I check 740. Apa? Yes. San Jose versus Rizal. So magpipili po kami guys sa Pag-asa Sports Complex. So I check 746. Wala pa lang po. So ba?
Starting at center, number 10, Lawson. Shooting guard number 13, Bara. Small forward number 1,
yes.
Guard number 28, Buenaventura. And power forward number 20,
Announce lang po nung ngayon, sabi ng commentator, Halloween costume fundraise po, October 31.
Uli po, basta ng forward po tayo sa Junior Division.
Tapos si Ali. Let's the game's begin.
Rizal wins the lead. Kapasan. Kapasan ng tabo. No good. Pangan grabs the board to Mara. Mara on the attack to Pangan. Pangan lose the board. Here comes Kapasan. Kapasan on the attack. Deny the shot.
Oh, shot.
Here comes Mara.
Because it's San Jose City.
Lawson jumper for 2.
Okay.
Yes, first bracket in this ball game by Lawson.
So don't go away after the break.
Lawson jumper for 2.
Okay.
Yes, first bracket in this ball game by.
Yes. Playground sa slide. At napakanda yata. Oh, wait. Wait, may cellphone ko dito. Jari. Hop. Yes. Shoot. Yes, so
Here comes the steal again.
and up time.
Second quarter, 56-13. 6-point advantage. Eagles have. Once again, the same struggling by Neil. The Eagle now passing the lead. Here is Valencia.
Yes, so nasa labas po tayo guys sa Pag-asa. Half break lang po. Ako eh. Hey. So, sarado lahat. Break lang. So, time check is 8:40. So, balik na tayo.
Timeout call. San Jose. Ayan, muli po sa lahat ng mga kulay. Ang gusto. Magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Yes.
Pass to the middle. Kings outside. Dantes fire. Dantes for 3. Palma.
Oh! Yeah.
Gampasan. Gampasan floater again. By Gampasan.
Third quarter na po.
Again, a pocket turner on Jay. Miss. Barak for the putback.
Yes, shoot ka sana.
Dantes. Leader for the lead. Noble. Estersen. Double defender. To De Los Santos. De Los Santos. Kumanyaga. Estersen attack. Pass to Mendoza.
Palakpakan po.
Turnover. San Jose Basketball. Lina. Tulipana. Dantes. Dantes for the lead. They got the lead. 23 seconds remaining.
2 seconds na lang.
Pero sa kalaban ng Rizal, 8 seconds.
7, 6, 5, 4.
Lina. That one goes down for Lina.
Konti na lang.
And number 30. 3.5 remaining.
Shoot! Top!
Good. Eserce.
Sana sa
1 second. And that's the end of our third quarter. 57-56. Lead by San Jose.
Yes.
Nasilin.
Ito na po guys.
Nasilin. Double defender. Para outside. Para to 1C. Para again. Para double. Banyaga. Pagkapasan.
Sige.
Gampasan ng good. Spin. Gampasan no good.
Ito na.
Ventura to Walsin.
Walsin.
To Nasirin. Nasirin on the finish.
Ito yung lamang. Sina lang.
Gampasan no
3. Oh, wala.
miss.
Ako, wala din.
Team Sunshine. Nasirin. To Walsin. Here comes
Oh
the
my God.
Gampasan Brian. And he got hit on the way up. Number 24. Nasirin.
Wala.
For Gampasan.
Ito na po.
Ventura. To Lina. Lina wide open.
Oh!
Lina.
Kasi nga. So,
And now two. Miss. Mark keeps it alive. Lamson again. Rapable. That one goes down for Rapable. And number 19.
tingnan lang po, 2 minutes.
Big up his second. Personal foul. Banyaga.
Ano po nangyayari? Napilay po. Be right back after a short break. So, shoot sana.
Rapable. Open.
Ano nangyari? 71-76.
27 seconds. 5-point game lang po tayo.
Ano po guys? Talo na tayo.
Again, here comes the steal. Banyaga. 19 seconds. Palma. Bukapasan.